Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. This week we have drone footage from late October to early December. And as you can see, we just got our first good snowfall. It's always exciting to have a fresh blanket of snow, and it does a really good job of outlining the fields that have been cleared. In this video, I'll do some voiceover and we'll also throw some music in. This is the edge of the ag development. The farm is on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side of the line is just state land. By now, we have about 80% of the two larger parcels cleared, and what's remaining is a small amount on the back two corners of the property, and then one corner up by the front of the property. And as you can see, a lot of this consists of medium to small standing dead spruce and brush. Definitely no match for the mulcher. Okay, swinging around to the front side of the farm. I think it may be lunchtime. I see the mulcher coming back in. This is the staging area. Fairly close to the main road, high and dry. With a little bit of luck in the spring, it'll be one of the first places to dry out. By this point, we've gotten 6 or 8 inches of snow, and the mulcher didn't mind it at all. At this point, the snow is actually pretty nice to keep the dust down. And as we pan around the field, you'll notice there's no burn piles. They all burned up almost completely. Very nice. You'll occasionally see a dark spot from a smoldering pile where the snow melted, like there's one right in front of us. It sure is nice to have a central location to park everything, keep the equipment, the tools, fuel. The Logic shelter was a great investment to have a place to put the skid steer in out of the weather and work on it as needed. And then having the insulated van to get in out of the cold weather and keep the tools and supplies in. And the great part is this is all movable, as we're definitely aware this may not be the permanent location. Okay, let's go check out the rest of the farm and see how things are looking. And there definitely is a lot of work yet to be done. We've only run the disc over a quarter of the land that's cleared. We still have some of those trees that are standing in the middle of the fields that need to be knocked over, roots pulled up, and much of this area that we're clearing with the snow on it, we'll have to go back and clean up stuff that we missed. Because you do find that you miss logs and things in the snow for sure. But by just getting the brush cleared and the logs burned, we've done a majority of the work. Okay, so now we've turned our attention to this corner of the field. This is some really nice ground, had very large trees growing on it before the fire. And you can see the progress that was made today by the dark section on the right-hand lower corner. And like said before, you'll see some of these groups of live trees. The old growth, some of them will keep. They're kind of an oddity and nice to have. It's kind of cool, even at this altitude, you can still see the corn sticking up through the snow. Well, we sure hope you stick around and watch the rest of the video. There's some more clearing, burning some burn piles. And remember, we're getting closer and closer to spring every day. And we encourage you to comment and ask questions. We definitely enjoy reading them and responding to them. And we look forward to seeing you here next time. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.